This video is for branching method working backwards. Ken gave 111 stickers from his sticker collection to his brother. He used 3 out of 8 of the remaining stickers to decorate a birthday card. That means he has 8 units remaining, and 3 out of 8 units he used to decorate a birthday card. Given that 1/9 of his original number of stickers was left, how many stickers did Ken have at first? We will use the branching method to solve. We do not know what is the total number of stickers he had in the beginning. However, we are given this information that Ken gave 111 stickers to his brother. So we branch out. For the brother, he gave 111 stickers. And the right branch, we will write remainder. And out of 8 units of the remaining stickers, he used 3 units to decorate a card. He used 3/8 of the remaining stickers to decorate a birthday card. And there are 5 units left. Given that 1/9 of the original number of stickers was left, original means the total. So 1/9 of the total stickers was left. He has 5 units of stickers left. And this 5 units is 1/9 of the total. So 1/9 of the total stickers is 5 units. So the total stickers, which is 9 out of 9 or 1 whole, will be 5 times 9. That gives us 45 units. Means he has 45 units of stickers at the start. If 45 stickers is branched out to 111 stickers and 8 units, we can find out how many units is 111 stickers. That will be 45 units minus 8 units, because 45 units is branched out to 8 units and a certain number of units here. So 45 minus 8 is 37 units. So this part here is 37 units. 37 units is 111 stickers. 1 unit will be 111 divided by 37. That gives us 3 stickers. So 1 unit is 3 stickers. How many stickers did Ken have at first? Which is 45 units. 45 units will then be 3 times 45. That gives us 135 stickers. And that's the answer to this question. Question 2. Jack's mother spent $18 on some English assessment books. She spent 7 out of 12 of her remaining money on some Chinese storybooks. That means that the remaining money is 12 units. And out of the 12 units, she spent 7 units on Chinese storybooks. Let's start by doing the branching. Again, we do not know the amount of money that Jack's mother had at first. But on English books, she spent $18. And the right branch, we put remainder. The remainder is 12 units. And out of the remaining 12 units, she spent 7 units on Chinese books, because here it says she spent 7 out of 12 of her remaining money on some Chinese books. And what is left will be 12 minus 7, that is 5 units. So this branch here, 12 units, is branched out to 7 units and 5 units. And this 5 units that she has left with is 1/3 of her original money. That means this is the total money that she has left. She's left with 5 units, and this is 1/3 of her total money. So 5 units is what she's left. So 1/3 of the total money that she has is 5 units. Because this part here is 1/3. So the total amount of money she has will be 3 out of 3, or 1 whole. That will be 5 times 3, and that's 15 units. So the total is 15 units. If 15 units is branched out to 12 units on the right side, the left side will be 3 units. Because 15 units minus 12 units is 3 units. How much money did Jack's mother spend on the Chinese books? We want to find out 7 units. But let's find out 1 unit first. So 3 units here is equals to $18. 1 unit will be 18 divided by 3, which is $6. 7 units will then be 6 times 7, which is $42. 1 unit is $6. 7 units will be 6 times 7, which gives us $42. And that's the amount of money spent on the Chinese books.